moving the camera. This tutorial covers the first steps of using Lumion. You will learn how to start a new scene and how to move the camera. When you start Lumion, it starts at the so-called home screen. This screen allows you to create a new empty scene, load an example, and allows you to load and save your projects. We start this tutorial by clicking on one of the empty scenes. Lumion will switch to build mode after you click an empty scene. If you ever want to get back to the home screen, you press the big button on the bottom right that has a disc on it. The buttons on the bottom right allow you to switch between modes. You can press the button containing a globe to get back to build mode. Build mode allows you to build your scene. In build mode you can load your models, add trees or objects, alter the landscape and even change the weather. It is very important to know how to move the camera. If you hover your mouse over the little blue question mark on the right, Lumion will display instructions. The instructions show you can rotate the camera using your right mouse button. Try moving your mouse while the right mouse button is pressed down. By default, moving the mouse up tilts the camera up. Some people prefer inverted up and down motion. Let's try out your preference by inverting the mouse movement. Click on the little gear icon on the bottom right. The gear icon displays the options screen. This button allows you to invert mouse movement. Click the button so it is lit up and click the little gear icon again to return to build mode. Try pressing the right mouse button and simultaneously move the mouse. If you preferred the previous mode, then do the following. First, click the gear icon, like this. Next, turn off inverted mouse motions. Finally, click the gear icon again to get back to build mode. Let's start moving around. At the center of the screen you can see a crosshair. This allows you to target your motion and makes it easier to move around. When you press the up arrow of your keyboard, the camera will move forward. Moving back works exactly similar. Press the down button on your keyboard to move backwards. Moving left and right is a matter of pressing the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard. You can move faster by pressing the shift button on your keyboard. Congratulations! You now have the basic skills to move around in Lumion.